Container gardening is one of the easiest things you'll ever do. And today I'm going to show you how easy it is to maintain your food without it getting damaged. And container gardening is one of those things I've always done because you don't need a lot of land. And if you also set them up correctly, they're little maintenance. Today I've moved longevity spinach and some blackberry bushes into my front yard. And that's because I'm already getting ready for next year. And after getting them placed in a row, you'll see me take a step back here to make sure I can find the hole for my self-wicking container. And I'm just OCD, so I make sure that one hole for my self-wicking container is always facing the direction I can see. But right here is the exact reason why I prefer container gardening, because I'm actually having to weed eat around my blackberry bushes. And weed eating around your blackberry bushes is actually one of the most fearful things I've ever done. And that's because I'm scared I'm going to cut one of those blackberry bushes down. And yes, I have cut down on many blackberry bushes by accident. But the thing about growing your own food in those containers is you really ain't got to worry about all this mess. You can actually just grow things and weed eat all the way around those containers. Or you can just slide them out of the way real easy, just like I did earlier in this video. Either way, I think I prefer container gardening.